Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the image you will transform and unlocking the layer so edits remain reversible. Once done, convert the layer to a smart object. This preserves pixels while the generative model works. Make sure Photoshop Beta or the Neural Filters panel is enabled and that you are signed in to access generative features. You will also set the canvas and crop roughly where you want the AI to act. Then pick a clear focal area so prompts stay focused and predictable. Now you create a mask over the exact region where you want generative edits, using a soft brush for smooth transitions. You type a concise prompt that says what to create, the style, and any color or lighting constraints. Shorter prompts yield tighter control, while a second sentence refines mood. Then choose sampling size and iterations. Higher values increase detail, but cost time. Make sure to enable Preserve Surrounding Pixels so the AI blends edges. Finish by reviewing the generated area at 100% and refine with the history brush or additional layer masks to remove small artifacts. This preserves the generative content while giving manual control. Once satisfied, save a layered PSD for future changes and export a flattened PNG or JPEG for delivery. If you see odd textures or color shifts, lower sampling or iterations, repaint the mask with cleaner edges and run the generation again. This often fixes blending errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.